Oh, there's a fish. There's another one. There's a fish, guys. Way over there. Oh, there's a fish. There's another fish, guys. I wasn't even paying attention. Anglers worldwide, Kaleb, aka Jabroni Joe here. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are on location at a buddy of mine's private farm pond. It's a small pond right behind his house. We're going to do a little bit of fishing, see if we can get on some bass. And yeah, it's going to be a quick session. We're really just kind of scoping this pond out, see how many fish we can land in maybe an hour or so. So hopefully we can land at least one, guys. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, it's chilly out here. I think I'm going to start out working this wacky rig. This is a small pond, but that doesn't mean there's not fish. Let's see if we can find anything. The water's very calm. It looked pretty murky when I was standing away from it, but right here it looks fairly clear. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, guys, this one bit it as I was reeling it in. That's not a bad fish. Yeah, not a bad fish at all. What do you guys think of that? There's a chunky bass. Whew, gotta get a picture. Let's get this one back in the water, guys. Droplets of rain starting to come down, guys. There's another fish, guys. back-to-back casts right there, guys. Back-to-back casts. I think these are spots because they're fighting really hard. Really, really, really hard. I don't know where I don't remember where I heard it, guys, but I either read or heard somewhere in like a bass informational video or something. Oh, there's another one. I think that one got off. Yeah, that one got off. But they're there. That doesn't matter. All that matters is that we seem to have found them. I read somewhere that spotted bass like stack up in a spot when it's cold. So if you catch one, keep casting there and there might be more. So, I mean, I'm literally just casting out basically to the middle of this pond and I've gotten 3 bites and 3 casts. Looks like the droplets of rain are starting to pick back up a little bit again. That's when I got those last 2 bites, was right when that rain picked up. Man, they've been so aggressive, I almost want to pick up a reaction bait, but I feel like it'd be foolish to put down the bait that I'm getting bit on. So, I'm going to stick with the Wacky for right now. There we go. There's a fish, guys. Way over there. Fighting up on the surface. It keeps jumping. It's trying to shake it. He's a smaller guy. Smaller than the last 2. Oh, actually, maybe about the same size as that last one. I think, guys, I may have been here 15 minutes so far. Oh, goodness. Here comes the rain again. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Oh, there's a fish. There's another fish, guys. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, there we go, guys. Fish number 4 in less than a half hour, I believe. Got him in the bottom lip on this one. There we go. Another little one. That one was definitely a spot. I could see the lateral lines a little better. Guys, I might have to come back to this pond and do like a different type of challenge, like maybe see 30 straight minutes of fishing, raw footage, unedited, see how many fish I catch. Leave a comment and you guys let me know if you want me to come back out here and do something like that. 20 or 30 minutes, raw footage, no editing, just me fishing and seeing how many fish I can slam out here in 30 minutes. It's either a big, oh, that's a big fish. Nope, it's a big log. Oh, that is hilarious. Man. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is why you buy a GX2. Suckers are almost indestructible. There we go. Hopefully that didn't disturb the guests too much. This is a private pond. I do know the owners. I have permission to fish here. It's literally like 30 or 40 feet from the owner's back door. So he likes to come out here and fish with me now and then. Well guys, there's another video that I want to film today. So I think I'm going to try and land one more fish. And we can call it good for today's video at this awesome little pond that I've managed to smash 4 bass out of in probably a half hour of fishing. I want you guys to smash like if you want me to come back and fish at this pond. If you want to see more action here. Now let's try and get this last fish to finish off today's video. Yep, there's a fish, guys. It's not a bad fish to end out on. There it is, guys, the last fish for today's video. Oh, I got him real deep with that wacky rig, guys. Oh, it's gonna be hard to unhook him. Let me doctor him up, guys, and then we'll close out today's video. Perfect. Turns out I didn't hook him as deep as I thought. He is good to go. Awesome. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching today. I had an absolute blast out here and taking you guys along for the adventure. We'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, you already know, if it ain't Joe, it's gotta go. Angler out.